everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I am very excited to jump into this home. This I helped design and create for my friends the holidays, going to the Upper Peninsula. Here, when you're coming in to an open living room area, but not all the way open, because you can see we've got not an arch, but walls on either side separating the living room from this open kitchen space. One of the only single wides where you're going to find an actual dining room area, and talk about storage, guys. So check out this part of the kitchen. We've got a skinny U-shaped kitchen here. Let's get a little closer. My favorite glacier quartzite, river rock looking Formica countertop. We've got the laminate backsplash here, and we did microwave over the range, dishwasher. This is interesting. 2 windows above the sink. I think that's cute. Coming over here, another pantry. So we've got an actual closed door pantry here with lots of room for your food or whatever you're gonna put in there. And then we've also got this pantry over here. And this thing is deep, guys. Look at that. All the way in, all the way out. So we've got door, drawer, 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 door. But this is the coolest. So you would think we've got some more pantry going on here, huh? Because that's how it looks, but guess what happens? Boop. That is an exterior door. Wow, how cool is that, right? Coming into the back door, and then we've got the laundry area here, and coming all the way through, very large master bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Here's the master bath. And look at all the space we have here in front of the tub. So this is a tub shower combination. That's what the customer wanted. But we have plenty of room here to do a walk-in shower. We could even do a roll-in shower right here. Now, the toilet's tucked away. Before anybody asks me, where's the toilet? I know I'm going to hear that. But it is tucked away behind that door. We did a 14 by 40 window here. And then here is a huge closet also. So far, pretty cool, huh? I get excited, man, when I build these homes, and I know they're going to great people, great families. This is what I love. Coming back into bedroom 2 and 3. Here we've got the furnace on the way. Here's a spare bedroom here. 2nd bath here. Nice and simple. And another larger bedroom on the end. So this home is called the Wheaton, 1,153 square feet. Look at this beauty. I just love it, love it, love it. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. I sure appreciate you all watching. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Let's design a home for you. Thanks, and thanks for watching.